So the next method of the preparation of phenols. Phenols are prepared from diazonium salt. So in this process, first of all, let us consider aniline. Aniline. So aniline is the benzene with NH2 group. Benzene with NH2 group. So it is C6H5. It is NH2. C6H5 NH2. It is the aniline. It is the aniline. So aniline is the treated with sodium nitrite NaNO3 and HCl NaNO3 and HCl at 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. So then aniline is treated with sodium nitrite NaNO2 nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. This process is known as diazotization. It is the diazotization process. It is the diazotization. So in this process, the obtained compound is the benzene diazonium chloride. In this process, the obtained compound is the benzene diazonium compound, that is N double bond N. It is the Cl. It is the Cl. So Cl is minus, it is the N2 plus. So it is the benzene. It is the benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is obtained. So then benzene diazonium chloride, the obtained benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis, it means react with water and strong heating. It means warm of the water with benzene diazonium chloride. So then OH group is attached to the benzene. OH group is attached to the benzene. So it is the phenol. The obtained compound is phenol plus NNN2. So then H combines with Cl. So then it is N2 plus it is HCl. So this process is known as diazotization. So preparation of the phenols from diazonium salt. First of all, let us consider aniline, that is C6H5NH2. It is treated with sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. Then benzene diazonium chloride is obtained. So then the obtained benzene diazonium chloride warm with water, then it gives the phenol. It gives the phenol. Now, the last preparation method of the phenols are prepared from cumin. Preparation of the phenols from cumin. So, the structural formula of the cumin is, so it is the CH, it is CH3 and it is CH3. So its name is methylprop. It is the iso group with propyl and benzene. So it is the isopropyl. It is the isopropyl benzene. It is the isopropyl benzene, or its common name is cumin. Its common name is cumin. So then cumin oxidation. It is the oxidation. Cumin is oxidation in the presence of air. So generally air contains oxygen. So then addition of the two oxygen atoms to the isopropyl benzene. So then the obtained compound is, it is C, it is CH3, it is CH3. It is O, and it is a H. So then benzene. CH3, 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 CH3. So then addition of what is oxygen? Addition of oxygen. So then it is COOH. What is COOH? So then the obtained compound is, the name of the compound is cumene. It is the cumene hydro. It is cumene hydroperoxide. The obtained compound is cumene hydroperoxide. So then the decomposition of the, then it is hydrolyzed or decomposition. It is the decomposed with the help of water. Decomposed with the help of water. So then it gives benzene with it is OH group. So the remaining compound is CH3, it is CO and CH3. So the obtained compound is benzene with OH group. It is benzene with OH group, it is C6H5OH benzene. So then the obtained compound is CH3COCH3. So it is structural representation CH3 single bond C, double bond C, and it is the CH3. So the obtained compound is the acetone. It is the acetone. So it is a common name. It is the propanone. Its IUPAC name is propanone. Ketone. It is one of the ketone. The obtained compound is the phenol. So then final preparation method of the phenol is, it is prepared from cumene. So cumene is common name is isopropyl benzene. Cumene, common name cumene. Its IUPAC name is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene oxidation in the presence of air, it gives the cumene hydroperoxide. So then the obtained cumene hydroperoxide is decomposed in the presence of water. It gives the phenol and acetone is obtained. So these are the preparation methods of the phenols. So then are properties of the phenols. So then chemical properties of the phenols. Before the chemical properties of the phenols, then we are going to discuss what are simple physical properties of the phenols. So then physical properties of the phenols. So then first physical property is, generally phenol is the colorless crystalline solid. It is the colorless crystalline. It is the colorless crystalline solid. Colorless crystalline solid. So then second property is, generally phenols are slightly soluble in water. These are slightly soluble in water, because alcohols are hydrogen bond with water. Slightly soluble in water due to hydrogen bond with water. So generally its simply representation is, so it is the phenol. So it is the phenol. It is O. It is bond H, phenol, and water. So it is O. It is H, and it is H, water. So then generally hydrogen bond is represented with dotted lines. So this hydrogen bond is obtained in between partially positive hydrogen and partially negative oxygen. So it is the hydrogen bonding. So it is hydrogen bonding. Due to hydrogen bonding with water, phenols are slightly soluble in water. So then third one is so generally the boiling points of the phenols. So phenols are C6H5OH. These boiling points are greater than hydrocarbons. Generally hydrocarbons means alkenes and alkynes. Hydrocarbons and haloarenes and also ethers. So generally ethers representation is ROR. So the boiling point of the phenols is greater than hydrocarbons, haloarenes and ethers. So why? Because boiling points of the alcohols are greater than these compounds due to intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present in phenols. Intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present in phenols. So simple representation of the intermolecular hydrogen bondings of the phenols is, it is 1 mole of the phenol and it is the second mole of the phenol. So it is OH. So now partially positive hydrogen and partially negative oxygen, these two are bonded with hydrogen bonding. So it is the hydrogen bonding. So this type of hydrogen bonding is known as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding means hydrogen bond is obtained in between two molecules of same molecules or different molecules. So due to the intermolecular hydrogen bondings, the boiling point of the phenols are greater than hydrocarbons, haloarenes and ethers. So these are the simply physical properties of the phenols. So then after completion of the physical properties of the phenols, then we are going to discuss chemical properties of the phenols. So what are chemical properties of the phenols? So the first chemical property of the phenol is acidic nature of the phenols. So it is the acidic nature of the phenols. Acidic nature of the phenols. So generally alcohols as well as phenols both have the acidic in nature, because alcohols and phenols are treated with active metals. These are produces the hydrogen gas. So for example, let us consider alcohols. If we take 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, it is the ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol is treated with active metals like sodium, 2 moles of sodium. In this process, the cleavage of OH bond. So the cleavage of the OH bond. It is the cleavage of OH bond. So then the obtained compound is 2 moles of C2H5. It is ONA. C2H5ONA. So then the remaining compound is the 2 hydrogens. So then hydrogen is liberated in this process. So the obtained compound is the sodium. It is the sodium ethoxide. So it is the sodium ethoxide. So same as phenols also react with active metals. Let us consider 2 moles of phenol, C6H5OH. C6H5OH. It is the phenol. It is treated with 2 moles of active metal, that is sodium. So now in this case also cleavage of the OH bond. C6H5O combines with 2 moles of Na, so then it gives 2 moles of C6H5. It is ONa plus hydrogen is released. So the obtained compound is the sodium phenoxide. So it is the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide is obtained. So phenols are treated with active metals, then it gives the sodium phenoxide. So now the order of acidity. Generally acidity of phenols, so that is C6H5OH is greater than alcohols. Why? Because generally if you take what is phenols, C6H5, it is O, it is a bond H. So then fission of the OH bond, so then it gives C6H5, it is O minus plus it is H plus. So it is the phenoxide. It is the phenoxide ion. So phenoxide ion is the conjugate base. So then phenol is the weak acid. So it is the order of the acidity. So generally acidity of phenols is greater than alcohols. So phenol is the weak acid, phenoxide ion is the conjugate base. So then strength of the phenol and phenoxide is, so generally phenoxides are more stable than phenols. So then C6H5OH is greater than C6H5, it is the O minus. So the next one is acidic nature is explained with respect to Ka values. So generally acid dissociation constant is denoted with Ka. So acid dissociation constant Ka. If acid dissociation constant Ka increases, so then acidic strength is increases. If Ka value is increases, so then P power Ka values are decreases. So it means simply acidic strength is directly proportional to, so then acidic strength is directly proportional to Ka values and inversely proportional to P power Ka values. So then acidic strength of the phenols is directly proportional to Ka values and inversely proportional to P power Ka